test 77, Nick zoology test number 15. Your syllabus is human reproduction. Link already share பண்ணியாச்சு. யூஸ் பண்ணி ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு பேர் எல்லாரும் ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டூ 3 minutes ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். பாருங்க. Which hormone is secreted in large amounts by corpus luteum and is essential for maintenance of endometrium? Progesterone, estrogen, LH or FSH? Ten seconds இருக்கு. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணி. Answer is progesterone. Okay, question number 2. The placenta acts as an endocrine. ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Answer here is option A. Mom has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 3 move பண்ண போறோம். Consider the statement. Statement 1. The spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa by the process called spermiogenesis. 2 after spermiogenesis, sperm heads become embedded in the Sertoli cells and are finally released into the seminiferous tubules by the process called spermiation. ரெண்டு பேரும் நான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Ten seconds. Is the answer. Statement 1 is correct. Ken has answered the fastest. Okay, question 4. All the following cells are expected to be haploid except 20 seconds. Time முடிய போகுது. 3 seconds. Answer is option D, primary oocyte. யாரும் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Question 5. Colostrum, the milk produced during initial days of lactation, is essential for newborns because ரெண்டு பேரும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Ten seconds. D is the answer. Skin has answered the fastest. Question 6 start பண்ணலாம். Each ejaculatory duct is formed by the union of ten seconds. Option B is the answer. Union of vas difference with the duct of the seminal vesicle. Again, Kin has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 7. Each of the following events does not occur during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle. Increase in FSH levels stimulating follicular growth. Kin மட்டும் தான் correct answer. Okay, question number 8 start பண்ண போறோம். Read the given statement for normal fertility in a healthy human male. At least dash percentage of ejaculated sperm must have normal shape and size, and at least dash percent must show vigorous motility. Option A is your answer. 60% ejaculated sperm must have normal shape and size, 40% vigorous motility. In and Tom. Okay, next question. Question number 9. Diagrammatic view of male reproductive system is shown in the given figure. Choose the option which represents A, B, C, and D correctly. Okay, I'll answer. Answer. And Tom has answered correct. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 10. The correct sequence of spermatogenetic stages leading to the formation of sperms in a mature human testes is மூணு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. 15 seconds. Option B is your answer. Kin and agent X9 correct answer. புதுசாக ஜாயின் பண்ணவங்கலாம் நேமை எல்லோரும் ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, கொஸ்டின் 11 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். In human adult female, oxytocin causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. B, secreted by the anterior pituitary. C, stimulates growth of mammary glands. D, stimulate pituitary to secrete vasopressin. Oxytocin oda function. 10 seconds தான் இருக்கு. Okay, எல்லாம் answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Now option A is your answer. It causes strong uterine contractions during parturition. Okay, Ken has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 12. Permeation is a process in which sperms are detached from Sertoli and finally released from seminiferous tubule, produced within seminiferous tubule, embedded in cells of Sertoli for their nourishment, or transported from testes to epididymis. Okay, answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Option A, detached from Sertoli and finally released from the seminiferous tubules is your answer. Okay, C மட்டும்தான் correct answer பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 13. Which hormone is inhibited during pregnancy in order to prevent contractions of the uterus? Okay, எல்லாம் answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Now option A, oxytocin is your answer. Okay, in has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 14. Regarding the structure of a sperm, all the following will be true except option A is your answer. Overall, the correct answer, and that is yeah. Moving on to the next question. Question number 15. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? Sequence of sperm formation. Twenty seconds. Five seconds தான் இருக்கு. டைம் முடிய போகுது. Option D is your answer. Oh, sorry. Option D is your answer. Spermatogonias, spermatocytes, spermatid. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question 16. Read the options given below and select the one which correctly represents the sequence of reproductive events in humans. Sequence of reproductive events in humans. Fifteen seconds. Okay, option C is your correct answer. Gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, implantation, gestation, and parturition. Yeah, correct answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question 17. What happens when a sperm enters the cytoplasm of the secondary oocyte? Sperm enters the cytoplasm of the secondary oocyte. Seconds. For all the answer pannu. Okay. Option D is your answer. Okay. Johanna mattumna correct answer. Okay. Question number 18. What happens? Which of the following has 23 chromosomes? Secondary spermatocyte, primary spermatocyte, spermatogonia, or Sertoli cells? Which of the following has 23 chromosomes? Seconds. Okay, I'll answer. Answer is option A, secondary spermatocyte. Okay. Yarum correct answer pannala the question. Okay, question number 19 start panna porom. Identify the hormones that are secreted in large amounts prior to ovulation. LH, FSH, estrogen, progesterone. Which of these are secreted in large amount prior to ovulation? Okay, I'll answer panniyachu. Answer is option C. LH, FSH, and estrogen. Kin matana correct answer pannirukken. Moving on to the next question. Question number 20. Separation of eyelids of fetus is observed in ending of 24 weeks, in second trimester, both A and D, or at the end of second trimester. Oh. Okay, எல்லாரும் answer பண்ணியாச்சு நினைக்கிறேன். Answer is option number D, at the end of second trimester. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 21. Consider the statements: assertion testes in males and ovaries in females are the primary sex organs. The reason is the primary sex organs are those that are located within the pelvic cavity, and secondary sex organs are the external genitalia. Seconds. 5 seconds தான் இருக்கு. டைம் முடிய போகுது. Option C is the correct answer. Assertion is true, but your reason is false. Tia and Johanna correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 22. The seminiferous tubules of the testes open into the vas efferentia through tubuli recti, vas deferens, rete testis, or epididymis. Okay, I'll answer பண்ணியாச்சு நினைக்கிறேன். Answer is option C, rete testis. Joanna மட்டும்தான் correct answer பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 23. The function of male sex accessory ducts and glands are maintained by GnRH, LH, FSH, or testicular hormones. Seconds. Okay, I'll answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Answer is option D, testicular hormones. Okay. Kia and kin correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. The kin has answered the fastest. Okay, second last question for today, question number 24. At what point does the secondary oocyte complete meiosis? At what point does the secondary oocyte complete meiosis? Okay, I'll answer பண்ணியாச்சு. Answer is option C. After it is penetrated by a sperm cell. Okay. So Joanna and agent X9 correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, moving on to the last question for today. எல்லாரும் ரெடியா இருங்க. Last question for today. Which of the following pair is mismatched? Sertoli cells inhibin, seminiferous tubule sperm production, vas deferens seminal plasma rich in fructose, calcium, and enzymes, urethra conducts sperms. Which of this is mismatched? Mismatched. So option C is your answer. Kin மட்டும்தான் correct answer பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. இன்னைக்கு இந்த குவிஸோட winner is kin. Kia and kin நல்லா ஆன்சர் பண்ணாங்க. And kin is today's winner. Okay, thanks for participating. திருப்பியும் next live testல பார்க்கலாம். Thank you.